It's a former Papa Daily Update TV, Mr. Se and any da watching so no hit ya do man subscribe. Now or like no shama wana a pensi maybe 80 so and be 80 Mr. Sobajebre ne adaje na ya borra sim nim ne sema etwagu no ya de mu nsemu nyina ebebremu na ya borra nsemu mu dia na the latest scandal abebom no etie for 280 million Ghana cedis. Ya kwese kwabrane edi ahye ne kotokuo ni nyina ye the former MPA boss na according to ASP hwehwemu no o chese investigation waye no ense sika ne niam nkofo no atabiri no ohwe edan ahodo ne fuel trucks pa nkofo no accumulate na utumi se nkofo na wie sika ne pa na oh my Ghana no odwini mebe ho a onti ase seba akofo timi tabiri 280 million Ghana cedis aba anodin na yemumram na 18 semfofra eto aso
to the city you know I call somebody Akroma say Nicholas call takrade inti prepare na den ne be hwemechi ye den e ma me quickly I spoke to the production team say 50-50 say come say every few me me no say can it to me ba I will be in the studio can ma member because me need the means. My life is very paramount. I have family, beautiful family to protect, 2 boys 2 girls to protect, and they are my priority. I put them first in everything. Take your politics, NDC, MBB, put everything aside. My family is number 1. Atagolega, yes. Mumu papa ne ba no. Mamu tell you ni pa kan. Me say mumu papa ne ba no. I mean the spirit. I'm talking to the authorities. Some mumu Jerry John Rollins and the bazana to no mumu ano. Papa ne kra and you happy. I'm June born. I say I'm time June born. Time Junior wo me tie. Once I roll a slow profita shepa. Yes. It reflects sanity. You for the profita. Your colors are blue and white. Omo money no check it. Try baby mama for more selfish interest. Zanaton when you be on you. No. That nonsense must stop. This is coming from the angels. Take it or leave it. Today I don't have time to talk about one to me. This is within. Let's reflect. Let us reflect. Yama company koyechi. Yoda yanwa ejechi nye. Te papa wo dada kamena mo no se de ba no, wo duru position bi a, wo dada kamena ma na ninye. Against if one be wo. Wow, young kwame na ntwa nkoduru suru a wo wunuru hoda you never land kolekuleti ene obakọ sa akosi awie yes domu aso no munya dan omuntie. This is the words from the angels, the 900 million angels. Wow, young kwame na ntwa nkoduru suru a wusu wunuru hoda and ade cook away sampiale way. They are gone. Woman, I said, no, dear ambassador, we are ever fatal, man. Power to the people. Would you want to know when you're dying? Woman, tear. Muaswa, when you're dying, mutie. Mutieswa, over to you. Me say that chamo de me bo be den e be bre me. Amun joku with this seat in Kolokulete. Na mo fanto chacha. Abeya mo say da yeso. You see, sometimes me kasa direction am de kasa o. Yes. Take it or leave it. That is me. And me begging for anything in my life. Me nyabo frasa. I can't feel kakra bi na bia madru me 50s. Me wura me 50s mo. Kai me bese wase muga, you few years say you better sa 40s no. Ade e chele ade amakoma empe. Me chele a me ne me staffs ne be yeden. Staff wo ma me no mo ye jo me no mo na be chele. Ana outside here. Me join for more outside. And I me no mo be chele. Asa period. And the June 4th never can Rollins in Zanatom. I'm asking a big question today. Internally, Abra Yako launch campaign have to intervene for Zanatom Rollins. So be bad stage in eso. I'm saying this for the first time. Mina me so ni mo with my younger and Alaji Masaudu. Me kasa me body. The evidence is there. Struggling to get to the stage. So be kwa kasa. Udwane seba. No. Muyo fear me kaim. I'm drawing your attention. She deserves better. You see, tomorrow my guest, yeah, beba show we so Honorable John Jinapo. Me Medicare ka say, and for your mama. We are appointee, make sure say, obey your jume. Some fire ne ko ye mama, take it, and ko ye mama, take it. Go at the end of the day, me ko be aho. Yes. And that is the British style. Maybe a tete me in Britain. Yenim trocha. No kwani da wa pefe, yenim brabo je. That is why I'm not easy for people to control. I'm not easy for people to bribe. That is me. Me value no, me capacity value no a way high. Because my certain political bibia organ in Britain. Do you think it is easy to be in United Kingdom for National Health scheme, that is NHS, to appoint me as ambassador for cancer campaign awareness for the African community in the United Kingdom? It is not easy. Me amete kwa hia ka metuwe near the UK Parliament House. Say me deliver speech about cancer our House of Commons. Britain, Omo Parliament, House of Commons. Eye easy ana enye easy. It is not easy. Kwa hia kwa metie ni abefa me say 2010 World Cup. Yepe will be a good voice. No buy voice way for all the African countries. Near the BBC studio for me to do all that voice way for African countries. It is not easy. I dear friend a bribe untimi fans some argument. Me easy to convince. I want Ghanaians to understand this. NDC MPP put all the political colors aside. I'm different person altogether. That is why. Yeah, man for yes, kwakwabia kwabia ni betimi aba na obeka se be se nsɛmfo akyerɛ me. I live good life. Ushia me na one me be fine. Unshia me na one mo ye minister one me nya fine, I go your way. And I also go my way. Because a 6 feet at last. There be a mekacho say let's humble ourselves. Yemre huase because we see I want higher transit emuni e wono. We wa baby akokwa winim destination awoko. A transit higher wono. We live once this world. E ba kupe o, ewiase no ewiase ba kupe ne ye ba wo. won't go second. And then we bizarre side the cook away. Last month today on the TCU ha. Last 3 months here near ambassadors and PR and a tia and no more way. Humble yourself. When you make premier for way mano, when premier for way mano, over swanning in 6 feet at last. Let's always be there for each other. Those listening at the top, take my advice. Take the humble advice very well. No matter how big you are, no matter your money, your wealth, everything, one day you will leave everything and go. You come here, fight for everything, and you go with nothing. Your car key, you won't take it. Your house, you won't take it. All the properties, you won't take it. Casket kakrebini edebe maun 6 feet. Me I've seen life. So sometimes ya me person me can the minim say we are here help people. Opportunity bana betima bo any power help them. Ebi oboto now we start for come the woman give them. That is life. I'm done. Honorable John Jinapo now or floor of the parliament. You debate about new levy. Said the 1 cedi ebe 2 and petrol. Na petrol ni yaba ni say 20 per liter. Pomasa utobi. Kelvin utobi nra. Raf okafu free so utobi gum. 2024 December, not on the 20 Ghana per liter. Today it is 11 Ghana cedis. Onya the useless minority for na me timi mo tracing. Oh, you dare make a wrong move? Me mo transform. Then omu yedidi. Adeya. Ye the 1 cedi e de ababe kan say levy a fanka ho na yetumi sisi en kanea ne ade. Akromfo we. Mo tete form. Useless ones. And they say, oh my boycott. Who cares? One of our we have the numbers. Omo pomo trefi mo ma. Oma manso mamuntu omoka. Omo boycott forever and ever. We have 2 tests. Parliament be here juma. We are not going to tolerate any nonsense in this country under this administration. That is why I'm sending the warning to everyone. So if you are fortunate to be in this administration serving under John Dramani Mahama, thank God. If you make any wrong move, so be bibia ebema John Mahama ni mo nyam abafom, I will never forgive you. I will fight you for the rest of my life. Two other appointees. The yanu for you. Say yan gadi hu yeni an protect hu ya. This useless 88. And that is why I keep telling my people, say, we a minister, don't allow yourself to be used by these useless caricatures. And this in no so MPP new contract answer. No the new minister office say one no man contract because of a percentage. Munafikini. God will punish you. Way back 2015, 14, 16, 12, 13, contractor some year Jumama and this in a kufa to Moka. I'm a quarter to Moka. Yakwani new friends. Yakwani 1 and 4. Oh, and politics there, send your son be there. And you continue to be there. But there be a mechan, me menya better sao, me catch say we are so. So only more level, now only more value. Obi a team in Casa be some phone. But when I'm not be a wire beggar, and I was wrestler, they will use you and dump you. But know your value. If you're Britain, I'm a bag on her. I'm a British boy. Your home is saying. Come on. George Nabo Kasai about this energy issues near the NTS more kind.
As we go, this whole debate is about fuel prices and its impact. And we are having this debate because under the NDC government, fuel has reduced from about 15 point something to about 12 cedi. In fact, that is the whole debate. This whole debate is because of a reduction. But for that reduction, we will be debating. Because the debate is what reduction is the consumer getting? And what is government taking to support reliable, affordable, uninterruptible supply of power? This is it. Mr. Speaker, my good friend, that